Welcome to Extreme Controls and Automation Private Limited. I am Vivek Kumar. We are again here with a new product, with a new launching, with new features and with new look and feel. So our today's product is water ATM. Let's unbox it. So this is our water ATM controller. It is a steel body, stainless steel, aviation connector, industrial type connectors, power on button, having wires to connect coin acceptor, note acceptor, and mobile payment feature is inbuilt. Smart card features inbuilt. Front acrylic touch buttons. Triple display. Now we power on it. This display is for tap 1, this is for tap 2, this is the main display. This section is for payment coming from note acceptor, coin acceptor and QR, from QR. So here you will paste your QR code. Here the RFID scanner, and these are the quick buttons. So there are two modes. First mode is simple mode and second mode is these 5 buttons are for tap 1. This 5 button belongs to tap 2. So if we press this, now you can see how much quantity will come, 10 liters and tap 2. If you press this, so you can see how much quantity, 1 liter is coming from tap 1. In mode 2, in this system all 10 buttons can be used for quantities, and final choice can be done by typing enter from which tap you want to take the water. So you can take 2 type of water. For lane 1 you can set different prices, different quantity. For tap 2 you can set all 10 buttons, different price and different quantity in mode 2. So take care. So while talking with you, I inserted 15 rupees because the coin is 5 rupees, Indian rupees. So how to take dispense? Simply, you can't take dispense from these buttons. For that you need to press dispense. Now he will ask select the tap. So select any tap and that amount dispense come to it there. Now from tap 1 it is coming. There are 3 type of coin acceptors that can be attached. ICT UCA2 is the toppest model that you can attach it. DG600F can be attached. यहाँ थोड़ा सा स्पेस रखना जब शूट करना, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ कुछ और दिखाऊंगा इमेजेस. हाँ, इधर का फालतू एरिया मत लेना मुझे, और इधर थोड़ा सा स्पेस जैसे न्यूज़ वाले दिखाते हैं ना वैसे. So DG600 can be attached, ICT UCA2 coin acceptor can be attached, and JY926 and its similar version can be attached. So right now I am using JY926 or similar. So now we have credit 10 rupees. To take dispense, this we press dispense button and select the tab. Now option come, dispense has started, and I will blow from tab 2 and it is completed. Dispense solenoid dispense is stopped and system is again ready. So this system is connected to Wi-Fi. This system is having audio response feature too. So on demand you can take. This system has a QR option. So on order you have to mention the right model for taking QR feature. So we have ECA1030 having variant N for note, W for Wi-Fi, S for speaker, Q for QR, okay, and C for coin. So whatever you need, add these suffix after ECA1030 and order us. For example, if you want to take Wi-Fi and QR feature, so you will order us ECA1030-WQ, and if you want to take a speaker, then you will order ECA1030-WQS. Okay, so I think you got what we made.